Hi, I'm Peter Gilroy with Bonny Doon. I'm here to show you some of the highlights and the overview of this awesome new Classic Pro manual press. Let's get started. Our new Pro hydraulic cylinder is a robust hydraulic cylinder that is long-lasting and low maintenance. It includes quick disconnects for easy assembly. Our new manual hand pump is 5 times faster than our previous model. It is a 2-speed pump, so the initial raising of the platen is very fast. Once pressure starts to build, the hand pump speed slows down, and this allows you to achieve high pressures with less effort. Since the hand pump is a separate unit, you are able to really customize your setup for maximum ergonomics. One of the benefits of using quick connects on this press, as well as the new Pro cylinder, is that it's possible to use an electric pump for high-speed production work, and then easily switch to the manual pump for the ultimate in finesse and control. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.